Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what are the different ways to a method can be overloaded. Method overloading in C Sharp refers to the ability to define multiple methods with the same name but with different parameters. The method signature must be different, meaning they must differ in the number or type of parameters and optionally their order. Overloading allows a class to have several methods that perform the same operation but can handle different data types, numbers, or combination of parameters. The first one is overloading by changing the number of parameters. You can create a multiple methods with the same name, but they must differ in number of parameters. Let's see that in example. Here we have a calculator class and we have a two methods. One is public int add and another one is public int add. Look at here the parameter, the first method has two parameter and the second method has a three parameter int ab, but the method overloading, see, look at here, the both the method names are add and see it returns a plus b, and that means and it returns a plus b plus c. Now we will look at here. I have created a instance for calculator and in the object name is calc. Now when we call dot add method with 5 comma 10, the output uses add method, and the next line calc dot add 5 comma 10 comma 15. So here the first statement returns 15 and the second statement will return 25 plus 5, 30. Now we will see that in console dot read key. Now we'll see that. Control S and I'm starting the program. See, look at here. The first here the method overloading can be with different parameters. The first method has two parameters, second method has three parameters. Okay. Now again I'm taking here and again I'm printing here. I'll comment this one, even I'll comment this one also, because we have seen no method overloading. This is okay. Now we'll go again with the slide. Overloading by changing the type of parameters. Methods can be overloading by using different types for parameters. Example int, double, string, etc. Now we'll see that in example. Next we have a class name called printer, and we have a three methods. The all three methods have the same name, print, and print, but look at the parameters are different. The first method takes string and the second method takes int and third method takes double, and it prints double. Here it prints int and it prints text. Now I have already console.key. Here I have created a object for printer and the object name is printer. Printer.print. The first I have assigned with hello because using print it's a text. And the second I have passed 1 2 3. Use print, it takes int, and print third it takes double. Now we'll run and see that output. Here what we are seeing is the method name is always same, the parameters is different. See, look at here, 10, 30, that these two are previous one. The printing string is hello, and this is 123, and this is 123.45. Now I'm commenting this one, even I'm commenting the below one also, because we have done it now. Now we'll go with the overloading by changing the order of parameters. You can overload methods by changing the order of the parameter even if their types are the same. Now we will see that in code. Removing this line of code from here to here, and I'm adding here. Now we have a display class. See, change of the overloading by changing the order of parameters. Here we have a two methods, show details. Both the two methods, the parameter are different. See, first it takes string and then it takes int. Here it takes int, the next it takes string. Now we'll print that. See, here I have created a object for display which using display name, and the display that show details. I have first it takes string and int. So I have assigned John and 30 as age, and the second method I have assigned with 30 and John. Now we'll print that. Look at here, the first method will print John 30 and second method will print 30 and John. Now again the other types will go with that. Overloading by using different parameter types including arrays or objects. You can overload methods based on type of parameters including arrays, list, custom objects. Now we'll see that. Now again I am commenting this one because this is done. I'm using the next one, X, and the printing I'm adding here. See, now we'll see that report method. Here we have a class called report and we have a two methods with the names are same, generate report, generate report. Here it takes string of array and here it takes string of int of array of int. So when we create an object for this one using new keyword and report dot generate report, here I have assigned with because data 1 and data 2, and in the next method I have assigned with 1 2 3. Now we'll run the program because the first one takes string array and the second one takes int array. Now we'll run that. We'll see the output. Look at here, generating report with string array, generating report with integer array. Okay, because here the method returns here. So generating report with string array, generating report with integer array. Now I will comment this one also because this is also done. Now again I am removing this console.read key and I am using here because I need to print that. So now we'll see math operations. Where is that? Here it is, that math operations. First we'll go with slide. Overloading by using optional parameters. Optional parameters allow a method to be called with fewer arguments than defined in its method signature. Optional parameter must be defined with default values in the method signature. Now we'll see that in code. Look at here, math operations overloading by using optional parameters. It has a multiply method and the return type is int a and int b equal to 2. Here I have directly assigned 2. Return is a multiplication into 2. Now we'll see that in the C. I have created a math operator object and the variable name is math. In the math dot multiply first method I have passed only 5 because here this is the optional, and the second method I have passed 5 comma 3. When we pass 5 comma 3 it will take 3 because this will get removed because we have optional operator is there. Now when we run this program, look at here, 5 into 2 30 and 5 into 3 15. Again we'll go with slide. Overloading with params keyword. The params keyword allows a method to accept a variable number of arguments as an array. You can use this method overloading as well. Now I'm commenting this one. I'm going here and I'm adding here. Here we have a adder class and it takes params of int array and return type is int sum equal to 0 and for each int numbers in sum place equal to num, it will sum the value. Now we'll go with the method. Here I have created a adder object and adder dot add 1 comma 2 because it takes params int of array, and the second method it takes 1 comma 2 comma 3 4, so adds 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 3 4, so that means 3 6 and 10 include with 4. Now we'll run the program. Look at here, output is 3 and 10. Now I am commenting this one also. Now I am uncommenting the below last code which you can see here. Here we have a two methods, one is add and one is add. So the return data type is int and double. See, look at the parameters are same, so we cannot do like this because the return type should be same, int. It is also int, so invalid example will cause a compile time error. Now we'll go with slide. Overloading with different return types. It is not possible to be overload a method only by changing the return type. The return type is not considered part of the method signature. Thus, the following is not valid. So friends, this is, thank you.